Hello everyone. We will show you how you can hide the hole that has been created unfortunately in your denim. So first you just have to take the thread and you just have to sew it according to the direction as shown here, and then you can create beautiful patterns over it. Like here we are going to show you how we can create this rose pattern. These activities are very good and very nice. You can definitely just wanna try. All its work of the thread and the needle, and these are the cheapest of all because here we have taken the thread but we have just doubled it so that its width has increased and it has become a thicker thread. Repeat the same process with a different color. Here we are making use of now the darker shade of the red. First we were using the baby pink. Now it's time to work with the red shade because it's giving the 3D appearance to this rose. One after the another, you just have to pull it properly and you can see the hole that was created in your denim is nowhere and it has vanished with such a beautiful rose there. Definitely give this one a try. Now it's time to make some of the leaves. First we are making some of the area leafy shape with the help of the marker. Now we are making use of this green color and making the leaves. Let's now move further. Here we don't want this type of the hole, so we just trimming it off. Once we have trimmed it off, we are taking the socks and the ankle portion is to be trimmed and it's to be fixed there with the help of your hands. You can see how we are inserting the needle and keeping the long spaces in between, and after that we are again sewing it properly and we are pulling the thread in the circular direction. You just have to repeat the same thing till you will cover the whole length of this ankle socks as apparent here. You just have to be careful while you are inserting the needle towards the innerwards direction because here you have placed your another finger for the support and you don't have to hurt yourself or hurt your finger. So you just have to pull it off like here we are doing, and you can see now we will move towards our another activity. Here we have trimmed down the sleeves of the old sweater and we are placing it inside this type of the shoe slipper, and now from the upside down you can open it and you can see how we have created this summer slipper into the winter one, and from the lowermost direction, that's the lower area of this slipper that faces the ground, you just have to stitch it from both the ends as apparent on your screens. You can see from the one end we are placing the needle and making the two holes and pulling them outside, and from the other end we are repeating the same thing. You just have to do, but you just have to be careful while you're pulling the thread. You don't have to pull it all together. You just have to create these line type of the area that's shown here. You just have to repeat the same process till you have covered hold the gap. Once your gap is covered, now you just have to pull it off as shown here. Repeat the same way so that the whole area is to be covered. It looks quite good and quite easy. See how beautiful the slipper turns to be. So next time, don't throw away your old sweaters and convert them into these slippers from the summer slipper one. Now we are just making the ends clear and trimming it off. This is quite easy. Let's move towards our another activity. Here we are taking this piece of the paper, that's actually the graph paper, folding it, and we are showing you how you can just take the thread over the needle by using it. Thank you for watching such videos. Stay tuned for more.